Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for software guides and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into BestNotes, the all-in-one EHR, EMR, and CRM software designed specifically for behavioral health and addiction treatment providers. So whether you're a therapist, case manager, or even a practice owner looking for a reliable system that handles both clinical records and client communications, this might be just what you need. So let's get started and explore what makes BestNotes stand out in the world of healthcare tech. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of BestNotes. On the top corner, you have the option to download the application itself, but it's very important to ensure that you have your site ID, username, and password. Of course, having all of the credentials that you need. But if you don't have an account with BestNotes, all you have to do is click the request a demo. That means you will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. Provide all the information needed here, and then if your request for the free trial access has been approved, one of the sales experts here in BestNotes will contact you. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, just go to the main homepage and we can explore more about the platform by going to the industries, features, support, pricing, and the about and event section. We're gonna go focus on these features because number one, BestNotes offers all these. Okay? Number one on our list is going to be the documentation. So this is where clinicians create and manage clinical notes, assessments, treatment plans, and progress reports. It supports templates, compliance with industry standards, and custom form creation. And then let's not forget the CRM, where you can track all lead, inquiry activity. So this tool helps intake and admissions teams track every contact with potential client from initial inquiry to conversion. It logs calls, emails, tasks, and referral sources to optimize client acquisition. And then let's not forget the calendar. This is going to be your scheduling hub of BestNotes because users can set appointments, view provider availability, color code events, and sync with reminders. It's tightly integrated with documentation and of course billing. Speaking of billing, okay, so this handles client invoices, insurance claims, payments, and statements. It supports CPT, ICD-10 coding, and integrates with clearinghouses for seamless claim submissions and tracking. Now, let's go to the section of telehealth because it enables HIPAA-compliant video sessions directly through BestNotes. It's integrated into the calendar and documentation so that providers can launch sessions and document care easily. And then there's going to be the outcome tracking, wherein it's used to measure treatment progress and clinical outcomes. Standardized tools and custom scales help track patient improvement over time for internal analytics and of course compliance reporting. Now, the patient portal provides clients access to their health records, appointments, secure messaging, forms, and billing information. It improves engagement and reduces admin workload. Now, in terms of the admissions, it supports intake workflows including application tracking, evaluations, document collection, and coordination among staff. It's kind of very useful for residential and intensive outpatient facilities. Now, for the medications, it tracks current and historical medications, including dosage, frequency, and prescribing provider, because clinicians can also monitor side effects, allergies, and refills. Now, how about the e-prescribing? It allows licensed providers to send prescriptions electronically to pharmacies using doctor-first integrations, including medication history, allergy checks, and formulary data. Let's go to the EMR. The EMR is going to be the electronic medication administration record, which is used by nurses and staff to record the administration of medications to clients. It ensures accurate closing, scheduling, and helps reduce medication errors. Of course, there's going to be the employee messaging. It's your secure internal communication system for staff, enabling direct or group messaging, alerts, and notifications tied to client files or tasks. Then let's not forget the reporting, wherein it generates operational, clinical, financial, and compliance reports. It can be customized to monitor performance, audit trails, productivity, and outcome metrics. Okay? The human resources manages the staff records. Of course, credentials, onboarding documents, and compliance training, helping ensure all staff meet regulatory and organizational requirements. And then there's going to be the API. BestNotes can integrate with third-party application using its API. This enables syncing of data between systems like labs, billing platforms, analytics tools, even mobile apps. And then, if you wanted to know more about the pricing plans for BestNotes, you may easily notice that it's straightforward, transparent pricing, no hidden cost. Okay, so you have the $58 per user. That's going to be per month, which gives you the 24 user per month if you have all these requirements, plus all these. All right. Now, all you have to do is, if you want to sign up, you can do so by clicking the sales form here so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your budget and needs. And of course, let's not forget that these are going to be your go-to resources if you wanted to know more about BestNotes in general. You have the support FAQ, downloads, BestNotes support, and account management. And of course, the about section that offers the partners and the blog sections. It also offers the BestNotes webinars. These are on-demand live videos that you can watch on your time, absolutely at no cost, and you can also join if you want it. And of course, if you are also looking for real user reviews, detailed feedback, up-to-date pricing information, and potential alternatives to BestNotes, you can visit trusted software review platforms like Aptera and of course G2.com, because these sites offer insights from actual users, comparison tools, feature breakdowns, and ratings that can help you make an informed decision based on your business needs. And with that being said, and that wraps up on our dive with BestNotes. If you're looking for a HIPAA-compliant, cloud-based system that keeps your clinical and admin workflow in sync, BestNotes is definitely worth considering. It's great for practices that need both clinical tools and robust CRM capabilities in one platform. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more software walkthroughs just like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.